Welcome back, boys and girls, to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works, that super secret research and development division of Dr. Jet Laboratories, where we sit around all day and we invent things and we make stuff. Today I'm inventing a turn fin, and I thought I would share some of the thought process. So without further ado, here we go. The first thing in thinking about a turn fin is a bracket. Now, right now, this is just being held on with double-sided tape. Remember now, I'm running my batteries here in the sponson. We interrupt our regularly scheduled program to demonstrate just how close the batteries will be to the back bulkhead of the sponsons. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program. And what would be a bad thing for the batteries to bump into? Two bolts going through, the bulkhead here on this sponson might be a bad thing for the batteries to bump into. Who knows? It could cause short-circuiting and fires and explosions. And so we don't want to go there. So partly what my thinking is this. As you can see, this mounting bracket has two holes, as do most mounting brackets. My plan will be this. I'll drill those two holes, and then from the inside, I will put two button head screws. Then I will get some non-nylock nuts, just some regular nuts, and bolt that down, or bolt this bracket onto those those screws, just finger tight. Then I'll come around with epoxy and shredded fiberglass, milled fiberglass, and I'll build up a pool of this stuff over those screw heads. So I'm going to be adding a 1/4 inch to the thickness of the sponson, so I'll still have room to move the batteries around, and that way there won't be any metal spikes aiming right at the battery. So I'll have the turn fin bracket mounted, and then I'll make a turn fin. I might make it out of stainless, I might make it out of aluminum. I might even consider a commercially available one, but I have sheet metal, I have a shear, so these are real easy to make. All you really have to do is grind a sharp edge on them, and I have a grinder. Well, here's a problem that turn fins are going to have. Now, granted, this is paper, and I'm going to make it out of metal, aluminum or stainless, but it's still going to want to do the same thing when it's under a load. So my solution for that is what I did in the American Spirit. I am going to take a long 3mm bolt, another button head bolt, and I'm going to find where to drill a hole. And I'm going to drill a hole and put that bolt through there, such that that bolt will come through right there, and then I can put two nuts on it to adjust the turn fin. What do you guys think of that? That's about all the news I have to report. I was out doing perk tests for the past couple of days, and yesterday I started building some spares. I need to have some spares in case of breakage, damage, loss, or whatever. So I'm building some spares for the perk right now, so I need to devote some of my time today to the perk test equipment. I still have a few items that are on order to make this work, but for all practical purposes, I do have a layout. I'm going to stick the antenna up here. I might just zip tie it to the motor wires. I might just leave it right there because it's just kind of like right there. I'll consolidate these wires. I may make some jam foam. That might be a good project for today. Anyway, there you go. The beast is about to come alive. I'm still waiting for a shaft, and I'm waiting for another couple of parts. Oh, I did get my through hole here, so I can finally complete the water cooling. Geez, you can almost, oh, there, now you can see the water cooling. It's all hidden under that side. Anyway, until next time, boys and girls, jet out.